Hello, this is Cory Turner with The Cory Turner Show. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's talk the documentary California Typewriter. Have you ever watched something and while you're watching it, you keep telling yourself, it's okay to turn this one off, but instead you just kept watching it? Well, California Typewriter was that movie for me. I'm not a collector of typewriters, and even though I'm a writer, I've never really given the machines a lot of thought. So I was delighted that I was as entertained as I was. Hey, what's up? I'm watching a movie about typewriters. Yeah, I'm serious. It's a good movie. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you back. Wow. This is a methodical movie that is in no hurry. It's packed with great interviews with Tom Hanks and John Mayer, Sam Shepard, artist and sculptor Jeremy Mayer, and a diverse and rich collection of intriguing people who all have a love and a passion for the typewriter. We followed several storylines or trains of thought, but for the most part, the movie revolves around California Typewriter, a quaint typewriter sales and repair shop that is trying to hang on to an eroding business landscape. Computers were the demise of the typewriter. They offered technology that all but made the typewriter obsolete. Or did they? Video killed the radio star. Of course, I listen to the radio every day in my car. Listening to some of the most creative people of our times, writers, playwrights, actors, musicians, and others, I began to look at typewriters differently. These aren't just old relics to be thrown into the junk heap, but instead a magical machine that could transport you through time and thought. People like sports cars because they give you that feel for the road, the raw power, the oneness with a perfectly tuned machine. Well, the same is true for typewriters. Your key stroke is a direct connection to the gears and levers and arms that articulate the hammer that pounds your thoughts into a real, tangible piece of paper, something you can hold in your hand and read forever. When was the last time you picked up an external hard drive and had that same sense of accomplishment? My first external hard drive. Oh, what memories. It's a shame it's not compatible with my new operating system. Imagine all the great stories it would have to tell. California Typewriter is a movie that slowly pulls you in, shows you around, lets you listen to the charming bells of the carriage returns and the rhythmical pattern of levers patting words onto a page, and then sends you on your way with a respect for a machine that molded the world we live in. I have a friend, Maria, who still uses a classic typewriter. I think I'll have to drop by and see if she'll let me type up a page or two and see what it feels like to really put the words on the page. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's keep talking about movies.